Chin blackheads extraction satisfying results. The chin is often overlooked, but it's one of the most common areas for stubborn blackheads, because unlike other parts of the face, the lower face reacts strongly to oil changes, hormones, and daily buildup. Today's treatment focuses on chin blackheads extraction, with satisfying results through deep pore cleaning. Why chin blackheads form easily? The chin produces excess oil due to hormonal activity and facial movement. When that oil mixes with dead skin cells, sweat, environmental debris, it becomes trapped inside the pores. Why chin texture gets rough? Unlike the nose, chin congestion spreads unevenly. This creates small clustered blackheads, rough texture, uneven skin surface. Step 1. Cleansing the area. We begin with a deep cleanse to remove surface oil and prep the skin. Step 2. Steam preparation. Warm steam helps soften the buildup inside chin pores. Step 3. Blackhead extraction begins. Extraction starts carefully. As pressure is applied, stubborn blackheads begin to release from deep inside the pores. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning. As more congestion is cleared, the skin starts to look cleaner and smoother. The chin texture begins improving step by step. Step 5. Satisfying skin results. After extraction, the skin appears visibly more refined. The pores look cleaner, less congested, smoother. Step 6. Soothing recovery. A calming treatment is applied to reduce redness and support healing. Final results. Before, stubborn chin blackheads and rough texture. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin. A satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message. Even small areas like the chin can completely change skin texture when properly cleaned. If you enjoyed this chin blackheads extraction and satisfying results, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare transformation videos.